Hey everyone, you're here with Mark Batwell at PerfectGardens.com. If you are someone that is just looking for something that is very basic for your plants, something maybe even for seedlings or clones, or you're just getting started in gardening and you want to just keep it extremely simple, Big Bloom is that product for you. Big Bloom is a bat guano and earthworm castings liquid fertilizer. What makes this product different than other bat guanos and earthworm castings is, first, it's OMRI certified. Anyone that doesn't know what OMRI certified is one of the most reputable brands out there for ensuring that all inputs used is 100% organic. So if you're someone that does care about food you eat, this is definitely a safe product you can use. Doesn't matter also whether you have seedlings or if you have plants that are seasonal and year over year and the soil keeps being depleted, you can use this to help amend the nutrients in the soil through a top feed. This product will not gunk up your irrigation lines, so it is 100% safe to use for drip irrigation. If you're using this product as a standalone and you're not using their entire line, then for general feeding, you're going to want to use this product as a 4 tablespoons or 60 mLs per gallon. So remember, this is not a strong nutrients. You're not going to be dumping the fertilizer on it. You're going to be providing this nutrients on an every other feeding basis. And once again, this is just a very generalized feeding. For a heavy feeding, you can definitely go up to twice that amount, up to a half cup or 120 mLs per gallon, watering once a week. So as you can see right here, you're either going to be giving a generalized feeding twice a week, or you're going to give it a heavy feeding once a week, and just in between that you'll be using just water to water it in and help basically continuously keep breaking down the nutrients that you've given it. If you're into foliar programs, you can use this product as a foliar program as well at a rate of 1 tablespoon per gallon. For seedlings and transplants, you'll be using this product at a 1 tablespoon or 15 mLs per gallon. Once again, available sizes are going to be a pint, quart, gallon, 2.5 gallon, 5 gallon, 15 gallon, 55 gallon, and 250 gallon. It does not matter whether you have seedlings, flowers, just a regular basic organic garden, or you're growing all your herb, whether you have a hydroponic system or whether you're just doing drip irrigation, this product can be used for you. Thank you so much and have a great grow. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel.